So this is a brief video of my vacuum cleaners. I have about 85 or so vacuum cleaners at the moment. So here we go. The General Electric hand vac, General Electric swivel top, straight suction, General Electric, I believe it's model 69, 2-speed General Electric upright, Hoover Dimension 1000, Hoover Celebrity 2, Hoover Constellation, Hoover Floor Mate, Hoover Electric Floor Washer, Vitavac Model 88, Airway Model 88, Airway Model 66A, Compact C2, Compact C9, Rainbow D2, Rainbow D4, Rainbow E-Series, Filter Queen Model 95X Majestic, Filter Queen Model 700, excuse me, Royal Deluxe Power Team, Filter Magic Watermatic 3, Fairfax SCD P7, Silver King Model AE, Lewitt Electronic, Mila Flamenco, Regina Housekeeper Plus, Hoover Elite Cyclonic, Phantom Lightning, Electrolux 1205, Electrolux Model L, Electrolux Model LX, Electrolux Model 30. I'm very fortunate to have two Kenmore Drytechs. The one on the left is the older one of the two. Kenmore Destiny Pluses, one is 12 amp, one is 11 amp. Phantom Wildcat, Simplicity Freedom, Lady Tarleton Bissell Carpet Sweeper, Black & Decker Dustbuster, Johnson Floor Waxer. My three Phantom Furies, 10 amp, the Walmart edition gold, the limited edition. Royal 801 upright, Royal Anniversary Edition, Amway Clear Track. Now to my Kirby's, the Kirby 512, Kirby 513, Kirby 515, Kirby 561, Premier upright, Singer Power Master, Universal upright. My two Kenmore Magicord canisters, the compact model and then the full-size model. The Kenmore Progressive Upright, Kenmore Self-Propelled Kenmore, Kenmore Twin Fan, Bertman made Kenmore from the early 60s, Hoover Model 105, Hoover Model 750, Hoover Dial-O-Matic, Hoover Model 28, Hoover Model 62, Hoover Convertible Model 651, Eureka Bravo 2 World Vac, Pencrest upright made by stick vac made by Eureka, Eureka basic Eureka canister, privately labeled Eureka Princess, labeled as a Bradford Imperial, Eureka Hand Vac, Eureka the Boss Superlight, Eureka Freedom, my two Hoover Steam Vacs, Phantom Thunder, another Phantom Thunder, Phantom Cyclone XT, another Phantom Thunder, and then my original model Phantom.